using Cradle to Cradle as a business strategy, we've really just been able to innovate, and we've been able to create differentiation in the marketplace that's helped our business succeed.
We are one of 90 Cradle to Cradle companies, and we hold 69 certifications to date. So we're the largest global holder. And that's not that's not the thing that means the most to us. I think the thing that means the most to us is that we are embedding this in our company, and our development teams and our marketing people are becoming literate and really able to start to deliver on the vision and on the promise. And I think we are in a period of time where we should all feel very fortunate to be living, because we have one of the greatest opportunities of the century, and that is to design our way out of the past and into a sustainable future.
Ever since we've adopted Cradle to Cradle as a design paradigm for our projects, it has helped us a lot. It has enabled us to create superior product, and even now in this crisis, which has hit the real estate market big, we see that those projects where we've gone out to do that, and Park 2020 for example, we're well ahead of leasing in an otherwise complete slow market, and we're currently having investment returns over 30% of our original pro forma. So it really helped our business survive this crisis by differentiating the product we could make. So I'm very pleased I pursued it.
It makes the very best business sense in the world, because it creates that certification mark allows us to differentiate or even to ratify or endorse what we're saying, because there's so much going on right now of, well, I'm greener than you because I'm doing this, and there's a lot of baloney going on out there right now. And Cradle to Cradle's 5 measures, 5 categories, make it so much more holistic. So from a business sense, not just from a governance sense relative to behavior, but from having that certification out there that differentiates us in front of our competitors.
You know, it's the funny thing about the business sense of Cradle to Cradle is that as we've gone through our development process and commercialization process, although it takes intellectual capital to go figure out the chemistry around the different materials we use, by the time we get done with the process, it's less expensive for us to produce and develop a Cradle to Cradle product than it was what we did historically. And at the same time, with all the benefits that we know around the environment and the good work it does there.
Well, Cradle to Cradle really optimizes design so that not only do you make products in a more efficient way, but also have less environmental impact to our end users and customers. And in our case, we're actually able to reclaim these materials and repurpose them back into our products, or even to develop new products and new businesses for sure.